Hello students, this is your science class, class 7. Open your book, page number 105 of your science book. Today we are going to start a new chapter, sound waves, topic waves and their types. First of all, we look at the basic terms. Medium, a substance that make possible transfer of energy from one place to another, especially in the form of waves. This medium can be solid, liquid, or gas. A wave is a kind of oscillation, back and forth movement, or disturbance that travels through matter substances that can be liquid, solid, or gas and transfer the energy from one place to another. So the question comes in mind that what causes waves? And the answer to this question is the vibrating substances create waves. A vibration can be to and fro or can be up and down. But all these vibrations start from its mean position or original position. Here you can see that the waves can be created by dipping the finger in the water. It will create the waves. Similarly, the rope is tied with a tree from one end, and when we move the rope from the other end, the waves are created. So in this way, the repeated vibration can create the wave starting from its mean position. Then comes the type of the waves. The first one is transverse wave and the second one is longitudinal waves. First of all, we will look at the definition. Transverse wave, in which the particle movement is up and down perpendicular to the direction of wave. Longitudinal wave, a wave in which the particle movement is back and forth but parallel to the direction of wave. So we can clearly observe the difference that in transverse wave the particle movement is perpendicular to wave direction, but in the longitudinal wave the direction is parallel. Then characteristics of transverse wave. The highest point of the transverse wave is called crest. As you can see in this picture, a mountain like situation is presented, but these are basically the waves. The highest point of this mountain is, or the wave is called crest, and the lowest point of this transverse wave is called trough. Then moving to the characteristics of longitudinal waves. As you can see in this picture, the example of slinky spring. When the spring is compressed, then the particles of the medium, they become close to each other and they are compressed. So this characteristics, whenever the spring become compressed, is called compression, because as you can see in the picture, there is less distance between the spring. Then rarefaction. The paths of the longitudinal waves, when spread out, in the middle you can see that there is much difference between the spring particles, so this is called rarefaction. Next come question and answers.